Hey everybody, it's Resto-Rob and welcome to my channel. I got a quick little tool haul for you, just a little $20 tool haul, but I wanted to share it with you guys, so sit back, relax, and check out these few items. Okay, on this little tool haul, we've got this pipe wrench. It's made in Spain. Somebody hand painted it, so it'll clean up. Drop forged, but made in Spain, so this will be a good cleanup project. I got a thing that says EGO. I'll do some investigating on that one. This one is, let me get to it. It says two-fister Mechanics Unbreakable. And it's a number 3 Phillips. Or number 2 Phillips. Yeah, number 3. Sorry. Needs to be reprofiled or something. But I thought it was cool, the two-fister. Got this angle head flashlight. It says permissible electric flashlight, Bureau of the Interior. So, and it's got the little lenses. So I'll have to find some batteries and see if this actually works. If not, it looks really cool. This is a Stanley Herwood number 20 wood-handled screwdriver. It's got the bit. This will be a nice, fun project. Here we have a no-name. I couldn't find a name on them. Pair of side cutters. Looks like it was electricians or someone for small wire, like a phone company, Bell System or something. Here we have a tiny stubby number 2 Phillips. I've never seen the clear with the blue, and it says SK Wayne. So I haven't seen something like that before. Here we have a tiny C-clamp. It's Brinks. It's a Brink and Cotton. It's a little bent, but somebody could probably fix it. Here we have kind of a caliper. I can't make out what it says. I'll have to take a picture and insert it. But yeah, this will clean up nice. Got another pair of no-name pliers. But these are those ones that probably were, I don't know how they would have assembled this. Scout Crafter, I believe, did some like this, or talked about some like this not that long ago. Got a pair of Damalloy diamond horseshoe and cock pair of needle nose. This will clean up really nice. Pair of CT Company, Jamestown, New York. Slip joint pliers, Crescent. This is a Taiwan FTY76 ratchet. I don't know. We'll clean it up. I just thought it looked alright. Probably could use some oil. Here, can't make it out too well. It's a Red Devil putty knife. So that'll be kind of a fun project to clean up. Here we got the Stanley 594 little plastic tipped mallet. A Craftsman made in the USA, 11/16 by 13/16. Got the little pointy barn A looking thing. A 13/16 by 7/8 Kmart, made in Japan. Some small, we got this 9/32 Proto and 11/32 by 3/8 Industro Super. This just says forged in the USA, 11/32 by probably 5/16. I'm not 100% sure. I would assume so. This 15mm, 18mm, forged USA, 19/32 by 11/16. I'm sure you guys have seen these around. Here we have an Ottawa OWATONNA tool company, made in the USA. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I know I've seen these before. So I picked this one up. I don't know what's, I'm looking for a size. Oh, 7/16. So once I get this cleaned up, we'll definitely know what size it is. Got this Craftsman 5/8 by 3/4 V series little wrench. A Velcheck double box. This Craftsman ratchet double box, 1/2 inch by 9/16. A Fiat 13 by 17 millimeter Fiat. Growing up as a kid, my mom had a Fiat convertible that she drove around. A Kawasaki 13 by 12. We've got two Billings Vitaloy 7/8 by 25/32 and 3/4 by 5/8. Vitaloy, Billings and Spencer, 17/29 and 10/31. And then finally, we've got this Yep, cost me $2. It's a Stanley $12.99 in USA cast steel utility knife. So that'll look nice in my collection. And it has a blade on it. So this is the current tool haul for right now. Well, everybody, what'd you guys think of those items I found? I'm being a little bit more selective on what I pick up. So I think I did pretty well for 20 bucks. So let me know what you think. And as always, stay safe and we will check you later.